Iran-Israel conflict. The conflict between Iran and Israel is one of the most important political issues in the Middle East. The two countries have had strong disagreement for many years. Their conflict is mostly political, military and ideological. Before 1979, Iran and Israel had normal relations. However, after the Iranian Revolution, the situation changed. The new Iranian government strongly opposed Israel and criticized its policies in the Middle East. Since that time, relations between the two countries have been tense. One major issue between Iran and Israel is security. Israel believed that Iran's nuclear program could be used to build nuclear weapons. Because of this concern, Israel has often warned that it will not allow Iran to develop nuclear weapons. On the other hand, Iran says that its nuclear program is only for peaceful purposes such as energy and scientific research. Another important part of the conflict is Iran's support for groups that oppose Israel. Israel says that Iran provides support to groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in the Palestinian territories. These groups have had conflict with Israel in the past. Because of this support, Israel considered Iran a major security threat. The conflict between the two countries is not always a direct war. Instead, it often through indirect actions such as cyber attack, intelligence operations and conflict in the countries. For example, tension between Iran and Israel have sometimes appeared in places like Syria, where both sides have interest and influence. Many world powers closely watch the relationship between Iran and Israel because it can affect peace and stability in the Middle East. Countries such as the United States and members of United Nations often try to reduce tension and prevent a large military conflict. A direct war between Iran and Israel could have serious consequences for the whole region. It could affect oil supplies, international trade, and the safety of many countries in the Middle East. Because of this, many international leaders call for diplomacy, dialogue, and peaceful solution. In conclusion, the conflict between Iran and Israel is complex and has many political, military, and historical causes. The tension began after the Iranian Revolution and continues because of security concerns, regional conflicts, and political differences. The situation remains important for global politics, and many countries hope that peaceful solutions will reduce tension in the future. First, listen to this complete video, then mute the video and read it again. This information will stay in your mind for a lifetime. For educational and historical videos, please subscribe Knowledgeable Worlds.